Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Sometimes you want something creamy, dreamy, and so comforting. I've got you covered. This shrimp Alfredo is to die for, so easy too. It takes less than 30 minutes from start to finish. Let me show you how I make it, and let's get started. And in order not to make a big mess, I'm gonna use the same pot or the same pan. I'm gonna boil some water, add a generous amount of salt. I'm adding 2 packages of the refrigerated fettuccini pasta. And I need 18 ounces here. You can use any pasta really, but this will cook much faster. Cook per package. You're gonna drain and keep some of the pasta water aside. And I'm using the same pan to cook the shrimp and the pasta. And I'm mixing some spices. This is gonna add so much flavor to the shrimp. Don't be afraid to add the spices. I'll be leaving all the amounts and all the ingredients to this recipe in the description box below, so check it out. And of course you can keep it plain and just saute the shrimp. You're gonna need 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of shrimp. I'm using 1.5 pounds. Add the spices to the shrimp, mix them very well. You're gonna cook over medium to high heat with a good amount of butter. 1 or 2 minutes. The shrimp shouldn't cook all the way through, or it doesn't have to. You're gonna add a touch of garlic, fresh garlic, about 4 cloves smashed. And as soon as you can smell the garlic, you're gonna add the cream. I'm gonna add a touch more butter as well. I'm gonna add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Mix it in. At this point, and when it comes to a boil, you can lower the heat. You want it to simmer and thicken. 2 minutes, and you're gonna add half a cup of freshly grated parmesan cheese and maybe 2 tablespoons of crème fraîche. It's gonna add richness and creaminess to the dish. Add the whole amount of pasta and mix it in with the sauce. And basically, the dish is done, less than 30 minutes, and it's so amazingly tasty. You can garnish with parmesan, pepper flakes, or maybe parsley, and serve warm. I know this is not an everyday dish, but it's a treat. You're gonna love it, I'm sure. I served this recipe alongside some freshly baked focaccia bread. That is so good and so quick to make. I'll be leaving the link to the recipe in the description box as well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box as well. And until next time, bon appétit!